What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Samsung is bringing some amazing new features and interesting changes on One UI 9.5, and in today's video we are going to take a look at them. This video is going to be interesting. Keep watching the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe. You get to learn a lot of things about Samsung Galaxy phones, Android phones and Galaxy watches. So hit that subscribe button, become a part of this Apex community and give this video a like if you find this video informative. Now let's dive right into the video. An ex-user Fahad Ali Javed has managed to install the One UI 9.5 version on his device, and he has shared some very interesting information. The first interesting and a very useful feature which Samsung is expected to add on One UI 8.5 is the satellite connectivity. Now we have seen this on Google Pixel phones. Google has native satellite SOS framework on Pixel phones which allows users to text emergency services and share their location when completely off the grid without cellular or Wi-Fi coverage. And that feature is coming on One UI 9.5, and you can see on the screenshot it says satellite not available. Satellite coverage is not available while you are connected to a mobile or Wi-Fi network, and then it says satellite not available. Your device isn't registered for satellite SOS. Make sure you are connected to the internet for your device to automatically complete registration. So of course first you will have to register your phone for the satellite connectivity, and then whenever you are traveling or hiking in the areas where you do not have the Wi-Fi network or the cellular network, and if you want to message someone in an emergency, then you can use the satellite SOS service. That is fantastic. There is a demo tab here. You can tap on this to see how this works, and then it says for the best connection, keep a clear view of the sky. Your phone will reconnect to a mobile network when available. Calling over satellite isn't available. Emergency calls may still connect. So your calling facility on satellite connectivity is not available, and it says emergency calls may still connect, which is interesting to see. Once we have this feature, I will demonstrate how exactly this works. And this is basically the satellite connectivity tab. This will be on the settings menu if I'm not wrong. Next, it looks like the default animations are much more smoother on One UI 9.5. As you can see here in this video, the animation is actually looking pretty smooth. It's already smooth on One UI 8.5, and you can also tweak it on the Home Up module on Good Lock. But the default animation without any tweaks seems to be pretty amazing on One UI 9.5. And let's hope this only improves. Next, we have got a brand new fingerprint enrollment page which look pretty amazing. I don't have the screen recording here, but you can see this image. It looks beautiful with this gradient effect on the circle. And we also have that gradient on this fingerprint icon, which look beautiful. Let me also show you another image here. You can see this has got a different background here, and this is pretty new. And so far, this is how we have been adding the fingerprints. This is a pretty boring animation that we have, which has been there since many years. And now it has completely changed and it looks pretty amazing. Now check this out. This is the current camera application interface, the One UI 8.5 camera app interface. And now on One UI 9.5, we are going to see something like this. And this also look pretty amazing. You can see those circles when you tap on this icon here. This is how you see on the current version. And on the newer version, the moment you tap on this icon to expand the options, you will see that beautiful animation with frosted glass background. And inside those circles, we have got the other options. And it seems 24 megapixel option is showing up on the base model of the Galaxy S26 series. Not sure how long that is going to remain there, but for now, 24 megapixel option is showing up on the base model of S26 series. Currently, it is available on the Galaxy S26 series. Even on the Galaxy S25 series, we don't have 24 megapixel option, but on One UI 9.5, this could be default on all the Galaxy, the flagship Galaxy phones. Let's wait and see that. Let me know what you think about this interface. Do drop a comment and let me know. And Javed from X was kind enough to share some of the screenshots here. The screenshots of the camera application interface. You can see this is the video mode on top. This is how it's going to look. And this is the previous version you can see on the One UI 8.5, and this is the new mode that we have. And at the bottom, this is how it's going to look. Let me go to the next screenshot here. This page seems to be the same, and Samsung might work on this as well. They might give the same interface. This is the same thing which is available on the current version as well. And we have got this one here. this is the new interface that we see on the One UI 9.5. Now, just to give you a comparison, you can see the iOS 27 interface here. When I tap on this, this is how the circles are. And it looks like these circles are inspired by the iOS. But of course, we don't have that liquid glass. It's a frosted glass design here. But some elements are definitely inspired by the iOS. Next one is native application mirroring on the laptops. This is brand new. You can wirelessly access your phone's applications and notifications on your laptop. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi must be signed into the same Samsung account. This feature does not require link to Windows application. Currently, we are connecting the phone to a laptop using link to Windows. Let me show you that. Let's go to the connected devices. And this is where we've got link to Windows option. You can connect to your PC. And once we get this brand new feature, we are not going to need the the link to Windows application. We can directly mirror this on the laptop. But currently, we do not know whether this is going to be exclusive for the Samsung laptops or will this feature work on the other Windows laptop as well? We do not really know. Again, it looks like this is inspired by iOS. iOS has similar feature where you can mirror the phone screen right on the laptop, and it is going to look exactly like this. You will have the phone screen. Let's hope Samsung improvises this and gives us an option to expand the applications in bigger windows as well. That is something new. And then you can see there is a brand new option now to show the search bar on home screen. Right here, we have got two toggles, search and finder. If you enable Finder, the Finder is going to look something like this. When you tap on Finder, you can search the contents within the phone. And now we have got this Finder expanded and it looks bigger, as you can see here on this particular image. And maybe we will get the Google search bar also, which is currently available on the brand new tablets. I wish we get an option to set a Google search bar or the Finder option, but definitely this is a welcome change. You see this? This is how the Finder would look on the brand new One UI 9.5. Now, the home screen widgets. You can see this is a Now Brief widget, which has got this frosted glass effect, and there is some kind of border on this, and you can also see some shading in the background, which looks pretty cool. And this one here is the phone dialer, the bar at the bottom. Again, this looks like it is inspired by the iOS 27. Let me just quickly show you that. You see, this is the iOS 27 bar at the bottom, and you can see it looks pretty much the same. We just have the search button here, and the search button is separated on iOS 27. And we do have that glass effect on the borders here. You can see similar effect is seen on this also, but it's slightly different. But yeah, it is completely inspired by the iOS. I'm not sure why Samsung is getting inspired so much by the iOS designs. They can have their own designs and stand out, but for some reason they keep going back to iOS and try to copy some elements from it. It is definitely good to have some of the features from iOS, but not all the design elements. Anyways, this is another image which is shared. You can see this also has got that effect on the borders. Of course, it is nowhere looking like liquid glass. It is definitely frosted glass, and it is quite unique. But in some areas, we do see some of the elements from the iOS. You can see this is another example. And these are some of the widgets and design elements in the light mode. This is how it's going to look. You can see that shadow effect here as well, which is pretty cool. Last but not the least, this is one of the most awaited features on the One UI. Finally, we are seeing the application lock feature. You can see when you press and hold on an application, when you see that pop up, you will see this app lock icon right over here, and you can tap on that to lock your application. It is completely different from your secure folder. And when the application is locked, widgets and shortcuts are removed from your home screen. Notification content is also hidden. However, your photos, videos, contacts, and other data will still be accessible to applications that already have access. That is something to note over here. But hey, we are getting the application lock feature on One UI 9.5, which is just amazing. Now, you guys let me know what do you think about this One UI 9.5. I'm pretty sure this is the initial builds of One UI 9.5, and we are going to see loads of new features, changes, new design elements, new animations, etc. And there is a lot to come. Stay tuned. I will keep you guys posted about everything. That's all I have here. Hope you have already downloaded our Volverse wallpaper application. There are some beautiful wallpapers under premium and freemium sections. We keep updating them almost every day. You will see at least 10 to 20 new wallpapers getting added almost every day on an average. And we also have the video wallpapers, collections, and desktop wallpapers. Do go ahead and check out these beautiful collections. You will fall in love with it. The application link is in the description. That's all I have here. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.